I've been over here talking to myself and haven't even recorded. Anyway, good morning. It's day 4 in Mexico. It's okay. Yeah, I feel like I'm not doing this right. So this is what I'm doing when we say they use the gel. That's what I mean. But anywho, gonna get ready to go down here to the beach. Let's go get a Y. So that's what I'm finna do. Y'all see me? This is what I got on. So yeah, just a little beach cover up basically. But it's cute. And I took some little pictures right here yesterday, so I'm gonna take some more because they were cute and they were eating right here in this light. So I'm gonna try to take some more and see what they do. I feel like the lighting is better from that direction. I don't know, but we finna take these pictures regardless. So I think I'm gonna take them like right up in here. I'm trying to find the best place for like the best light. And I use my back camera. Because it just is better. Oh, I forgot to get my cloth to clean my camera. But that's okay. Photo. I shoot like this. I want to be right there, right here. Got my clicker. Turn her on. Okay, I have to do one little snap first. Put my lip gloss on, y'all. Why are y'all focusing only on what's in the air though? So let's see what they look like. That was good, but it needs to come down some because it did not get my feet. I want y'all to see how I take my own pictures, basically. I want y'all to see how I take my pictures by myself. So I set up my frame wherever I want, to be, and I just kind of try to center myself the most. So I look at what's there, And so I'm gonna try my best to stand right here by this little green plant. And then I just check, and you move and you rotate till you find your spot. I can move a little closer to the plant, but this is it. I'm going to retake some of these pictures at the beach as well. I need to figure out, oh, I have my DJI mic. I wonder, so once they get they stuff set up, it's so pretty. These are some good shots of like pictures. Oh wow, my phone's tripping. But I'll come take some more up here later for all of that. That is not my type of thing. Oh my gosh, all these yellow flowers. Wait. This might be a photo op moment. Yep, I'm gonna take pictures right here. Oh wow, it's so pretty. I should probably take my shoes off, huh? Wait, I want to take my picture though. Oh, shoes, staying in my shoe. Too late. Too late. I'm gonna go ahead and give this one rapture. Just outside in beautiful places, doing things. So I think I have my Bluetooth. So I'm gonna play me some tunes. I really want something to drink. I'm waiting on them to put something out. I might have to go run and get something to drink. Yo. I was trying to connect the mic to y'all, but nothing even came up, so I don't know. I really do want something to drink. It's super early. I don't think the bar at the beach opens until like 10. And it's 8. But I plan on being down here till the sun come out so I can get the real good tea pictures. Because my pictures look good, but I want a little more sunlight. Yeah, they do look good. My music stopped. Did y'all see me playing in the water? That's just a shame. Birthdays and candles, wishes small. Without you here, miss it all. Okay, I found some little beach content ideas on TikTok. I'm scared because they want me actually getting this sand. That's gonna piss me off. Y'all, I'm not a fan of sand. Starting to think you don't think you the one for me. Ain't talking weeds, how the fuck you gon' run for me? Know what they said, but I'm saying it wasn't me. Always in bullshit.